Since January 27, 2023, our system ranks Johnson & Johnson as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of -5.255. In this period the stock has had a loss of -3.70%. This is an average return of -1.85% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Johnson & Johnson, our last headline reads, weaker technical forecast for Johnson & Johnson as stock downgraded to strong sell candidate. The Johnson & Johnson stock price fell by -3.70% on the last day, Monday, January 30, 2023, from $168.23 to $162. It has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 4.63% from a day low at $161.08 to a day high of $168.54. The price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by -6.59% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 17 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 23 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.76 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $186.69, and the lowest price was $155.72. Right now the price is 13.23%, or $24.69, below 52-week high at $186.69, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock has broken the horizontal trend down. Breaks like this are often followed by swift and strong movements, and any correction down to the break line at approximately $166.80 is considered to be a second chance to get out before further fall. It is, however, important to note that false breaks may appear and that the price may move back into the horizontal trend. A break on increasing volume is considered to be more significant and reliable than breaks on low volume. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -1.38% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 1.54% and 9.35%. The 12-month trend indicates a -1.25% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -4.93% and 12.29%. This equals a price between $154.01 and $181.91 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Friday, January 20, 2023, SVB Leerink set price target to 186. On Monday, December 12, 2022, Citigroup set price target to 205. On Tuesday, December 6, 2022, Morgan Stanley set price target to 176. On Thursday, December 1, 2022, Morgan Stanley set price target to 178. On Friday, November 18, 2022, Credit Suisse set price target to 170. From analysts, Johnson & Johnson stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Johnson & Johnson. There are few to note technical positive signals at the moment. The Johnson & Johnson stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $167.71 and $174.59. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, January 6, 2023, and so far it has fallen -10.12%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 4 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Johnson & Johnson. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This stock is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock moved $7.46, 4.63%, between high and low. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 2.58%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Johnson & Johnson. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Johnson & Johnson currently has a price-earning ratio of 25.00. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Next upcoming earnings report for Q1 2023 is expected to be released April 18, 2023. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Johnson & Johnson meets first resistance at $168.31. If you do not hold Johnson & Johnson shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Johnson & Johnson is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On January 17, 2023, Eduardo Joaquin made an inside sell of 148,538 of employee stock options, right to buy. On January 17, 2023, Eduardo Joaquin made an inside sell of 98,795 of common stock. On January 17, 2023, Eduardo Joaquin made an inside buy of 148,538 of common stock. On January 17, 2023, Gorski Alex made an inside sell of 547,692 of employee stock options, right to buy. On January 17, 2023, Gorski Alex made an inside sell of 366,610 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -24.392. In total, the insiders bought 1,036,086,225 and sold 1,718,422 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Johnson & Johnson stock a buy? Johnson & Johnson holds several negative signals and is within a falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Tuesday 31st, we expect Johnson & Johnson to open up $1.87 and start trading at $163.87. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to